as our new spokesperson. He's a career diplomat since 1996. She has served in various capacities at the Department of Foreign Affairs, including Executive Director, Office of Consular, Office of ASEAN Affairs, European, Asian, Asia Pacific, and American Affairs. Her last posting, she was our Consul General in Toronto, Canada. So she just arrived about less than a month ago, and I just want to introduce her. Her other postings were in Indonesia, in Japan, and the United States. She was also having received multiple awards, including the Gawad Mabini, Dakilang Kasugo. Now, her educational attainment, just to inform everybody, she holds a master's degree in Foreign Affairs and Trade with Monash University in Australia, and a bachelor's degree in International Relations from Tsukuba University in Japan. So, an avid traveler, and since her youth, she is ready to embrace new experiences with her new assignment. And for those with the Japanese agencies, she speaks excellent Nihongo. Okay, and well, I just want you, our friends in media, to welcome Ambassador Spokesperson Angelica Escalona as she takes on the vital role. Thank you.
Secretary of Foreign Affairs, Secretary Lazaro, thank you very much for your trust, for entrusting me with this very important position. Sa ating mga press corps, you have my full support. I am here for you. With the Secretary, the other DFA officials, at of course, ang ating Office of Public Diplomacy, we commit to provide you with timely, accurate, and clear information. Yung aking pong contact details, pareho po nung contact details, the same mobile number, tsaka email nung kay former spokesperson Daza. So looking forward to working with everyone. Maraming salamat.